Buck, where's your mom?
Are you looking for me? I feel like I didn't even hide that hard. Are you looking for me?
It's too cold on your footsies. You can't be out there that long. I know you want to go back out, but it's cold. Do you want to go? All right, go get your daddy. Go get him. And there she goes. Go, Tiffy, go. You got it. Good girl. You got it. Push it. Good girl. She's like, she's really feeling good today. She catches up to him quick.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If